Right now, we're seeing a notable sentiment spike in the blockchain space, with a sentiment score of plus 0.55. This is interesting because, despite the current momentum being down at minus 0.20, sentiment remains strong, indicating that there's a divergence between sentiment and market action. You can use our API to get detailed insights, returning sentiment scores, momentum trends, and even semantic clusters, 17 in this case, to help you understand the underlying discussions driving this sentiment. Imagine you're developing an analysis tool to identify potential buying opportunities. This sentiment score, combined with the current negative momentum, could signal an upcoming rebound. For more insights and to integrate this data into your applications, visit pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's build something insightful together.